Hi, welcome again to another episode of Lawson Woods PNW. I'm Lawrence, the host. Well, the cabin project continues on. A little bit more shiplap has been put up and more is being delivered this week. So I'll show a little bit of that. The other thing we did is Mr. Brown and I went for a train ride on the Chehalis Valley Railroad. Just a quick day trip. So enjoy. Stay tuned for more. So this particular train ride is just a quick hour and a half trip up and back. The particular cart we in was 110 years old. It was pretty interesting to see. So I hope you enjoy the tour. And if you get a chance and you're out in Chehalis, come check out the museum as well.
So this is just like a private one?
Tell us about the train, the cart we're in, Jay. Tell them how old it is.
110. Just like I am.
Watch for Chehalis hillbillies out. Oh, it's deer. See him?
No.
Right down on the water.
Yeah, but I was thinking more of.
Well, that sure was a fun time. Back home with Sir Zygmunt von Ziegler now, a little beach time. It is Memorial Day weekend. He sure is having a good time too. And I sure hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, you know the drill. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And hey, there's that notification bell you can click on too. That'll let you know when I have new videos coming out. It's my pleasure to show you here Lawson Woods. And then finally, as promised, more progress here in the cabin. You can see here shiplap is going up on almost all the sides. And then next is going towards the ceiling. Anyways, thanks again for joining us. From my beautiful home to yours.